Jeep going kind of slow. Let's see. Alright, gonna take a left here. That's what it says to do. I'm gonna just go ahead and go. There's no cars. It's a nice chill day, man. It ain't too hot, ain't too cold. I got a t-shirt on, so I'm feeling alright. We're out here in Boulder City, right next to the Lake Mead entrance. It's one of my favorite places on the planet, really, to be honest. Oh, a little bike gang here. Well, man, what have you guys been up to? Drop a comment. It's been a minute. Man, my bad for not putting out as much videos as I want. I haven't been writing as much as I want, so I've been trying to do my best, man. My job had me going all over the place, so been just trying to maintain that and still do my writing thing, man. So I'm gonna be doing that for the next year, as you probably heard from the previous video I posted like 2 weeks ago. I'm gonna try to enjoy life a little bit more, man. I'm looking forward to it, excited. I'm heading to Salt Lake City next week. I'll talk about that a little bit later. It's gonna stop here. We're about to head over here to the historic downtown Boulder City, Nevada. All right. All right, here we are, Fox Barbecue.
You have reached your destination on the left.
All right. Open 7 days a week. Hey, man, that's cool with me. Man, it feels good being out here. It sucks it's a Sunday. Got to go to work tomorrow, but it's all good. Oh, man. After this, I'm going to hop back on the freeway and just cruise the city, man, see what I get into. So it's a beautiful, peaceful Sunday. They got some guys on those one-wheel motorcycle, one-wheel trice. I don't know what they call them, man. They look like circus motherfuckers rolling down the street. They're all over Vegas, man, but it's crazy. One wheel. Whew. I'm good with two. All right, time to head back to the city. See what's cracking down there, see if we can get a ride in, you know what I mean? People out having a good time. That's what it's about. Life's about having a good time and enjoying yourself, man. And that's what I intend to do today. All right, let's get the fuck out of here. Whew. Oh man, this weather is perfect today. Woo! I'll stay in this lane. Alright, time to head on the 215. Oh, I better slow my happy ass down. Yeah. I love this little town. It's a pretty cool city, pretty cool town. And that's the Tom Devlin Monster Museum. You'll always see that sign on the freeway, man. They be trying to get people to go there left and right. I wonder if it's any good. I really like Boulder City because it has a really cool old school town feeling to it. You know what I mean? The Railroad Museum is right here. It's really popular with tourists. That's my favorite Panda Express. I'm sure I've mentioned that many times before on the other videos that I've done driving through this area. But yeah, it's a cool place, man. That's a cool little real estate office. All right, man, time to let loose. Oh, this dude looks like he's all over the place. What are you doing, homie? All right, only in Vegas, right? Anyways, okay, he got out. That's good. Let me close the visor. A little windy. It's not too crazy. The temperature is not bad. It's a little on the chillier side, but it's perfect to me, honestly. Okay, let me slow down. Make sure we good here. But look at this, man. Look at the scenery. But anyways, like I mentioned in my other video, I've been on the road. I just got back from Texas. Been in Vegas for a little while. I had to take care of a lot of stuff, so I haven't been riding as much. And I'm heading to Salt Lake City in a couple of days, then up to the Northwest and back down to Southern California. So it's gonna be a pretty crazy couple of days. A couple of weeks, but man, hoping to bring some bike content for you. Bring you some stuff from the road. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna try my best, man, to do this road thing and do this bike thing. Both things I love. I love the open road. I love road trip traveling, all that stuff. So excited to show you guys. Let's get down here. I love this road. Super fun. Gonna swing it right here. Make sure no cars behind me. All right, nice and easy. But yeah, so I mean, I hope it, the way it works, the way I want it to work, I'll be able to check out the cool places, cool festivals and whatnot around the country, and see what the bike scene around the country has to offer, man. I love this sport so much. It's giving me so much insight on life and everything, man. And I just wanna be around it all the time. Let's go. Oh, got two riders coming up on my left. Look like a street glide. Look like two ultra glides. What's up, fellas? What's up, fellas? Beautiful day for a ride. All right, so right up here is the 215. We're gonna merge on, man. This road is always super suspect, but you just gotta be careful, and everything should be a-okay. Not to mention one of the more fun to ride highways to ride. Yeah. Woo! A lot of, I don't know if that's smog or it's just an overcast, but it is a little chilly, so yeah, you can barely see the city. Usually you can see it pretty nice. Man, when you go up here down this way through on at night, the city lights are really nice. It's pretty cool. Woo! Nice bump. Woo! Man, that wind is exhilarating. Man, like I said earlier, I'm gonna be heading over to Salt Lake City, then over to Reno, then up north to home, Washington State, and then back down the coast. And I'm gonna try to hit a few Harley dealerships, man, and just get some footage in. There's different styles around the country, like I mentioned before in my other videos, and I want to check them out, man. I'm trying to build out my bike in a way. It's been a year on Halloween a couple days ago that I've owned the Street Glide. I haven't done much to it, just been busy with work, man. But nah, that's just excuses. This coming year is gonna be a little different. I can't wait to bring it to y'all, man. Okay, let's see here. All right, I'm taking the scenic route today. I'm gonna go ahead and take a left right here. Oh man, that felt great. I'm just kind of cruising there. I don't really have any destination to go. I just know that I'm gonna drop the bike off because I'm heading out of town. So hopefully I won't be away too long, man, because I do miss old Jackie Brown here. Let's see here. Maybe grab a bite, or at least a drink. Maybe get a drink. You know, like a non-alcoholic drink, of course. So maybe a coffee or something. I'm always down for coffee, man. Let me get this mic up. I don't know why the hell this thing got me cutting through a damn Target, man. What the? This is so crazy. I know where we at now. Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna go chase that dude down. All right, I gotta go left. I've been paying attention to GPS. Let's see here. I guess I'm just cruising, man. Who cares, right? Been a nice ride so far. Beautiful scenery, but I'm kind of thirsty. Let's go find a place to drink. Get something to drink. All right, we're gonna take a left right here. Come on, man. Let's go. Man, I gotta find somewhere to drink. I'm getting thirsty. You know, being so high in elevation, yeah, you get so dry so easily. Let's see if I can find a coffee spot, man.